Aluminum wiring presents unique challenges, and several alternatives exist when addressing it. One option is copper rewiring. This involves complete removal of the aluminum wiring and replacing it entirely with copper wire. It is generally considered the safest and most thorough solution, as it eliminates the aluminum wiring altogether. However, it is often the most expensive option due to the labor and material costs involved in running new wiring throughout the house. Another alternative is copper pigtailing. This method involves replacing the aluminum wire only at the points of connection such as outlets, switches, and junction boxes. Short lengths of copper wire, called pigtails, are connected to the existing aluminum wiring. This provides a copper-to-copper connection at the device, which is more reliable than direct aluminum-to-device connections. It avoids the extensive work of removing all the aluminum wiring from within the walls. Push-in connectors specifically rated for use with aluminum wiring are available. These connectors are designed to create a secure and stable connection between aluminum and copper wires. It's crucial to use only connectors that are explicitly listed and labeled for aluminum wire connections. When using these connectors, it's essential to apply an anti-oxidation paste to the wire before inserting it into the connector. This paste helps prevent corrosion, which is a common problem with aluminum wiring. Twist-on connectors that are approved for use with aluminum wiring are another option. Similar to push-in connectors, these connectors are designed to create a safe and reliable connection between aluminum and copper wires. Again, using only connectors specifically listed for aluminum wire connections is vital. Before twisting the wires together, apply an anti-oxidation paste to the aluminum wire to prevent corrosion. Compression connectors, designed specifically for aluminum wiring, offer another alternative. These connectors create a mechanical bond between the aluminum and copper wires through compression. Before crimping the connector, apply an anti-oxidation paste to the connection points to prevent corrosion. This ensures a long-lasting and reliable connection. When splicing aluminum wire, several best practices should be followed. Firstly, use a wire nut large enough to accommodate both the aluminum and copper wires being joined. This ensures that the wires are securely held together and that the connection is properly insulated. Secondly, strip the aluminum wire back approximately 1 inch and the copper wire back approximately 1/2 inch. This provides sufficient exposed wire for a secure connection. Thirdly, twist the exposed wires together clockwise 3 complete turns. This creates a strong mechanical connection between the wires before the wire nut is applied. Fourthly, apply an ample amount of Nulux, which is a brand name anti-oxidation paste, or another approved anti-oxidation paste to the connection. This paste helps prevent corrosion and ensures a long-lasting connection. Fifthly, securely tighten the wire nut. This ensures that the wires are held together firmly and that the connection is properly insulated. It is important to consult with local building codes for specific requirements related to aluminum wiring in your area. Building codes may have specific regulations regarding the use of aluminum wiring and the acceptable methods for splicing or terminating it. Aluminum wiring is generally considered less safe than copper wiring and should be replaced if possible. While the alternatives mentioned can improve the safety and reliability of aluminum wiring connections, complete replacement with copper wiring is the most comprehensive solution. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, hire a licensed electrician to perform these repairs. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it's essential to ensure that it's done safely and correctly. A qualified electrician will have the knowledge and experience to properly assess the wiring situation and perform the necessary repairs or replacements. When dealing with electrical wiring, always prioritize safety. Turn off the power to the circuit you're working on at the breaker box before starting any work. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection. If you are unsure about any aspect of the work, consult with a qualified electrician. It is very important to use the correct type of connector and antioxidant paste for aluminum wiring. Using the wrong materials can increase the risk of fire. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing connectors and applying antioxidant paste.